on the desk, and please can put a piece of paper and arrange your chair properly. And then take your seat, everyone. Before we start our discussion, our lesson for today, we have, how are you today? Before you answer the question, we have a direction. You are good. We raise your hand, thumbs up, and thumbs down, you are not good for today. Okay? Clear? Grade 9?
Yes.
Okay. How are you today, grade 9 Diamond? Raise your hand. Everyone is good? Is everyone? Okay, everyone is all good. And thank you for participation. And again, please stand. Because I have an icebreaker. And icebreaker, the title of icebreaker is Gummy Bear. Gummy Bear does. Please follow the video, everyone.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, honey, every time you tell me like you gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear. I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear.
Please, 100% energy. More energy. One more time. And thank you, everyone. Please take your seat. Secretary, how many objects for today? Very good, nice, Diamond. We have a next activity. Next activity is about component physical fitness. And last lesson we have discussed about component of physical fitness. And we have a recap about physical component physical. And everyone, please raise your hand. Would you like answer? Number 1. It's about, please read the definition before you answer. What is answer? Body composition. Check natin. We have body composition. Number 2. Raise your hand and answer. Check natin. Muscular strength. Isa, muscular strength. Very good. Number 3. Say that. Isa, flexibility. Answer is flexibility. Number 4. Prince.
Number 4 is the ability to continue contracting a muscles against muscle or group of weights or body weight resistance such as upright. Muscular endurance.
Is that muscular endurance? Good job. Last one. We have Marjon.
Is how well your heart and lungs concentrate while you exercise at medium to high intensity. Cardiovascular endurance.
What was the answer? marker. Go and check. The answer is cardiorespiratory endurance. Nice try, Marjot. And the last lesson we have the components of physical fitness. And today we have a new topic. Before the discussion, we have an other activity. And other activity, we have a guess the picture. That's the word. And we have a picture. Do you like math?
Yes.
It's a math. Number one. Number one, we have it's a paso doble. The answer is paso doble. Very good. Nice. Number two, we have Isabel. Isa. Answer is Isa salsa. Nice. Number three. Last two. We have our last two is Isabel. Quick step. Isa. Answer is quick step. Nice. Last one. Last one we have. Wings. Isa. Answer is slow walk. And this is our topic for today. What do you think our topic for today? What do you think? It's a social dance. Yes. And we have topic for today. It's about social dance. And before I discuss, I have an objective. And objective is to read. Anyone? Danica?
At the end of the lesson, the students are expected to, number one, define the history of social dance. Number two, understand the benefits of social dancing to the community. And number three, perform or demonstrate social dance basic steps and rules.
Thank you for that. We have first topic about history and origin of social dance. First, social dance intended primarily to get to know other people in attendance to certain social action. And there are also called ballroom dance. Then there are usually performed in group, male and female, but they also perform in a group. It's mean social dance. Social dance. Social dance. What's the code of social dance? Ballroom dance. And social dance, we have a dance affaired, male and female only. And we have next. When did social dance start? Please read, Samantha.
At the end of the 18th century, gymnastics and dolls, and subsequently in Volta, people danced in pairs, with group formation reserved for public display. At the same time, this dance was danced by all classes.
Okay, thank you very much. Social dance start in end of the 18th century. When the start of social dance?
18th century.
Okay, that's 18th century. And so social dance is a simply dance in pair. And social dance is a group performance. It's a competition. Competition. We have a competition is called social sport, dance sport. That's called this dance sport of competition. And next we have who started social dance. Please read. Please.
The Soviet origin of ballroom dance lies in the European court dances of the 17th and 18th centuries, although many of the dance steps were adapted from Polish tradition.
Thank you. start with social dance. And social dance adapted from traditional, adapted from folk traditional. Tradition. And from the origin of ballroom dance is European court dance in 17th and 18th century. Next, we have what was the first social dance? Social dance is the origin of the oldest traditional ballroom dance was first appearance 16th century in Europe. Again, social dance, the origin of social dance from Europe. Origin of social dance from again saan? From Europe. Next we have activity. Activity we call classification of social dance. This is a direction. We have a word and direction. What word is drawn in the boxes? In the boxes, you just put whether it is a Latin American dance or modern standard dance. We have example of dance. Then put one. Then please in the board. Anyone try to answer? Raise your hand. We have a foxtrot from modern or Latin American dance. Check na. Don't you later? We'll try 10 people. Next. Frederick. Big step from modern standard dance. Check later. Next, people. Read your example of dance before your piece. Tango, Latin or modern standard dance? Do you agree? From modern standard dance, check later. G. Read before your piece is word. Vietnamese, modern or Latin American dance. Very good. Last. Read before facing the board. It's a paso doble. Paso doble. Modern standard dance or Latin American dance? It's a Latin American dance. Next, people. Right? Answer. Read before facing the board. It's a was modern standard dance or Latin American dance? Okay. Okay, there we go. Danica. We have 4 people. 3. Samba, Latin American dance or modern standard dance? Isa? Latin American dance. Next people, 2 people. Marco. Rumba from modern or Latin American dance. Next, the people. What's her name? Maribel. Mabel ba? Hey, Maxwell. I'm sorry. It's a salsa. Modern or Latin American dance. Last one. Samantha. What's that? Mambo. Modern standard dance or Latin American dance? Check later. We'll check later to continue up discussion. And we have next. Topic for today is about classification of social dance. And we have first about classification of social dance. First is modern standard dance. Please read, everyone. Adrian.
Modern standard. Standard dances on the rare format. Upper leg down for female and both in time for men.
Thank you. Modern standard dance, we have a perform for costume or outfit or ankle leg gown for women and men for coat and tie. And other example of costume of modern standard dance is a long sleeve or necktie. Do you get it about modern standard dance?
Yes.
This is an example of modern standard dance. And then check in the activity. We have first, modern standard dance. Please read everyone. Slow waltz, 1, 2, 3, go.
Slow waltz.
From
Australia.
Australia.
Tango, Argentina. Viennese waltz, Vienna. Foxtrot, USA. Big step, USA.
We have to check the activity. This is our sample of modern standard dance. This is a sample of dance. I will check. Fox from modern standard dance or Latin American dance? Very good. Quick step from modern. Tango from
Modern.
and so what's from?
Modern.
And another answer is
Vietnamese.
Vietnam waltz. Nice try to answer this. Again, this is an example of dance about modern standard dance. Again, first of classification of social dance, we have that's a modern standard dance. It's a first of classification about social dance. We have a video that this watch. video about modern standard dance and call of words. What do you observe about video? Raise your hand. Do you like answer? What do you observe about video? Maxwell?
Puro po ikot na kayo.
Paninikot, nakakailo. Very good. Do you have a chips? Other hands. Mark? Medyo okay yung sayaw. Very good. Nice. Good chips. Ito yan?
We are 20 pairs.
2 pairs. Very good. Other hand? Ano mo? Gian? Liam. And then one Josh. Last 2? Samantha? The sound or the music, we have the sad. Nice. Last one. Very good. It's a please. So, modern standard dance, what does serve the costume? Yes. Sa formal. We have a necktie. Ako. Yes. Formal gown. Yes. This is an example about modern standard dance. Next, classification of social dance. We have Latin American dance. Please read everyone. Very good, thank you. Latin American dance is a culture with sexy outfit and thin outfit. Not wrapped up. Wrapped up is sexy, very sexy. And Latin American dance is performed sexy outfit open back, then boys we have open front. Is a big victory. Then girls we have open the back and sexy open and feet. Then we have an example of Latin American dance. Latin American dance is an example of dance. Please read everyone. Latin American dance. First is from Cuba. Next Cuba. From Cuba. And next Samba. From Brazil. Next Paso Doble. Spain. Next USA. Next USA. And next Salsa. Cuba. And next Mambo. Cuba. This is an example of dance about Latin American dance. And please check this activity. Paso Doble from Latin. Very good. Samba from Latin. And Rumba from Latin. And Salsa from Latin. And Mambo from Latin. Very good. Great day, Diamond. And we have an example of video about Latin American dance. Please watch, everyone. Very good. Other hand, Isabel. Very good. Other hand, Danica.
They dance in harmony that emphasizes the spirit.
Very good. Nice. Samantha.
Their moves were calm, and the outfit that they wore is totally and the girl was wearing a black dress, while the boy.
Okay, very good. Good job. What observe about costume? Lisa? Sexy outfit. And often, girls open from back. And boys will have open chest. This is an example of modern Latin American dance. Again, the second of classification of social dance we have Latin American dance. Any question about discussion for the day? It's clear.
Yes.
And we have a question. Number 1, we have what are the classification of social dance? Read for me before you answer. What are the classification of social dance? Raise your hand if you like to answer. Prince?
Modern American, Latin American dance.
It's a modern
Modern American dance.
standard dance and Latin American dance. Good job. Number 2. It's what are the different of Latin American dance and modern standard dance? Other hand? What's your name again? Alexa?
The Latin American dance are sexy and outfit. Modern standard dance
Good job. And other answer? Is it like Adrian?
The Latin American dance use a paso, and modern standard dance use a
Very nice. At last two people to answer. Other hand? Sige, Marco.
Latin American dance and modern standard dance are different.
Good job. Last one again, and Samantha.
The modern standard dance, the moves of the modern standard dance was too aggressive, while the Latin American dance was too calm and was
Very good. Any question about discussion for the day? Raise your hand if you're no question for discussion for the day. Raise your hand. Everyone is no question. We have please find out your notebook, and we have activity. Activity we have direction. Instruction, write LA if the dance is Latin American dance. Then LS is the modern standard dance. 1 to 10. Written word number 3. Okay, please write written word number 3. We have 5 minutes to answer this. answer only. We have 3 minutes to answer the written word number 3. To finish, place your ball pen if you finish to answer this. Last 2 minutes. Last 1 minute. To answer. Finish. Okay, we have a check. Number 1. Who tried to answer? Marjon. Is this NA or MS? NA. The answer of number 1 is Latin American dance. Please change your paper to your classmate. Number 2. Sir. Raise your hand. Yes? Katabi ni Maxwell. What your answer? Is that MS? Number 2 is MS? Is that modern standard? Number 3, generosity. Number 3, what your answer? Is that Latin American dance?
Yes.
Is that Latin American dance? Number 4. Elisa? What your answer? It's a modern standard. It's a modern standard. Next. 5. Danita. It's a Latin American dance. Number 6. Number name? Aaron. It's a Latin American dance. Number 7. Robbie ba? Robbie. What's your answer? It's a Latin American dance. Very good. Number 8. Bibi. What's your answer? It's a Latin American dance. Number 9. What's your name? Okay. What's your answer? Modern standard dance. Last one. Number 10. Rumba. Queens. What's your answer? What's your answer? Latin American dance. Who 10? Perfect. activity is as a group. We have a group 1, we have a group 2, and we have a group 3, and we have group 4. And as a group, create a slogan on how can promote the positive effects of social dancing in your health and in your community. Do you get it?
Yes.
This group is about groupings activity. We have a slogan. We have Cartolina. Okay, group 2. Group 3, group 1, and group 4. Please circle your there, and we have 15 minutes to create a slogan. And we have this explain about the slogan. Please bring your coloring materials, marker. We have a 15 minutes to create about slogan. Again, slogan create how can promote the positive. It's a group. It's teamwork. We have a 30 minutes. Yes. Explain in the front. One representative to explain for the front. We have 12 minutes. Group 1 will report the artwork. Gia, Jada, and Isabel. Group 2. James and Samantha. Group 3. Prince and Group 4. Adrian and Marjorie. Okay, we have 12 minutes to create slogan. How can promote the positive effect of social dancing? Be quiet. Again, these are roommates. Please read the rules about slogan. Content 10 points are the content signified to the topic. And number 10 is aesthetic appeal. 10 points, choose your word, have aesthetic appeal. We have a 20 points. We have a 10 minutes to create about your slogan. 9 minutes. Finish or not finish. Present in front. We have 8 minutes. Create a slogan. Eight. Again, 8 minutes over 8 slogan. Finish that. Finish front. Last 7 minutes. To create a slogan. We have 6 minutes. Finish or not finish? Start work. Last 5 minutes. Please write your name in one word sheet of paper. Last 4 minutes. Last 3 minutes. Last Group anyone fourth. Okay, everyone take your seat. Everyone take your seat. Group one, take your seat. The first thing about our word is group number. Please take your seat. Sorry about that. First recording is a group number 2. Group number 2, please. Okay, quiet please. Diamond. Go.
Okay, so the slogan promotes social dancing by highlighting its dual benefits. So please everyone kindly read our finished work.
Take a chance, make time to dance. Build your health and body stance.
So in this phrase, take the chance, make time to dance. It emphasizes seizing opportunities to improve both individual well-being and community spirit. While the build your health and body stance, it improves physical health and the social connection fostered through shared activity.
Thank you. Okay, next group recording is group 1. Group 1, please. Stand.
Dance with your body and you will become stronger. The explanation for this slogan is, if you like the person your problems will disappear and especially the comfortable with them. Like what they said, a healthy body is a healthy mind. This is word dance with your body. It emphasizes the social impact of dancing. And in the word, you will become healthy. This highlights the health benefits of dancing. Dancing to a trend is fun and engaging, and it removes the adherence to exercise. And that's all. Thank you for your
Next recording is group 4.
Okay, so good morning everyone. Before we proceed, I want to explain myself. I'm the most handsome guy in this class. So, dancing is the poetry, meaning the stanza. So, also through motion. Motion is the feeling for our poetry, meaning the dancing. So, stimulates our mind, body. So, it stimulates our mind and body. So, it's all connected with the dancing. And let's step up for health, dance for joy, and dance for unity.
Basically, dancing is what is good dance. It really is the poetry of our good habits and life. Dancing enhances our health, body, mentally, and physically. Dancing relieves us from everything. Our mind takes strength when we put ourselves in motion. Dancing is our everything, so we should dance for joy, health, unity, to make not just ourselves stronger, but everyone. That's it.
Thank you, group 4. Very good. Last one is group 3. Yay!
For start, good morning everyone. My name is Edson Villalba. And I am Prince Emily Cruz. And before we start, hello. Hello. Okay, now before we start, let us maybe explain a little bit further into our slogan for today. We group today's way with the music that is your mind every move. Once again, can everyone read this? If I'm not mistaken, can everyone read this? Okay, in 3, 2, 1, this reads. Now, with the rubrics, like I said in the screen, are the content significant in the topic? Group 3, is the content significant in the topic? Yes or no? Yes. Does your work have an aesthetic appeal? When it comes to the work of aesthetic appeal, it comes as a sign just like the other groups have done. Example, group 1, group 2, group 4, and the others as well. When it comes to the slogan itself, it illustrates the significance of it during our topic for today, which is social dance. Now, like our slogan did for today, it represents also that is stated in the rules for today. And that's it for today. Once again, I am Prince Emily Cruz, and that's it for today. And once again, we are doing.
Okay, so how does this slogan actually promote the positive effects of the social dances in our community and our physical health? So let's start with sway with the music. How does that promote the positive effects? Sway our body, we move our body, and that reference dancing, right? Yes, as we sway our body, we did some exercises, we get some exercises in our heart.
Okay, now, into the next. Wait. Let me go. Okay, now the second sentence is your mind with every move. Is your mind with every move. We must ease ourselves into the rhythm of dancing, like a social dance, and we must feel the dance and express it to the rhythm itself. So instead of stressing yourself, instead, a quick solution is dancing. And now.
Excited to start? So, group 2, we have 19 points. Group 1, we have a 19 points. And group 4, we have a 19 points. And group 3, we have a 20 points. We have assignment today.
Let's go.
Assignment.
Subject.
Please write your notebook in PE. The assignment using the link below and watch the demonstration of the walk step and next practice the step individually until you feel comfortable and confident. Next, pay close attention to the timing, footwork, and posture. Dance after individual practice, we will perform our group, and each group will perform the facing walk step together. Do you get it?
Yes.
Next is finish to write the assignment.
Yes.
Okay. Next is no. Is your individual understanding and execution of the what step will be observed during practice. And next, your ability to perform the step accurately and in sync with your group will be assessed during the group performance. Then, this video or link to the follow-up the basic step of what? Do you get it?
Yes.
I will send the president, then please practice the basic step of what? These are rubrics. Timing, we have 14 or 15 points. Ayan. I will send the DC and or the president. Please read. Any question, everyone?
None.
Is that clear?
Yes.
You get it?
Yes.
Thank you and goodbye, Grade 9 Diamond.
Goodbye.
and thank you.
Goodbye.
And thank you.
Peace.
Let's go.
Everyone, take a seat.
From Bulacan State University, the College of Education, it is with our full gratitude to the students of the National High School, specifically grade 9 Diamond, for being participative and cooperative for the success of Mr. Eugene's finals demonstration. Of course, also we give thanks to the cooperating teachers as well as the rest of the administrators that serves as the home of our students, not only for his internship, but also as a professional teacher, sooner or later. Again, thank you very much from the Bulacan State University.
Yes. Yes.
Before po tayo mag-end, patiin mo natin na aking CD na happy birthday!
Thank you, Gracie, for your participation. So, the success of Sir Yuji, it is because of you guys. Again, Grade 9 Diamond, thank you so much for active participation. So, for this time, so, it's already 11:10. So, since 11:10 na, bababa kayo, makikipag-ulit na tayo ulit sa ating
Yes.
Siyempre,